How to convert landscape video to portrait in Capcut. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'll easily show you guys how you can convert the landscape video to any kind of portrait in Capcut. Open up Capcut application first. Just make sure that you are logged in. Now here you're gonna have to go ahead and import your video. So tap on new project. And here I have imported this landscape video. So what you're gonna have to do is change its aspect ratio. Go ahead and swipe to the right, and here you'll find aspect ratio button. Just tap on it and you'll find the 9:16. This is the portrait aspect ratio, so just tap on it. Now what you can do is drag the video, turn it 90 degrees so that it fits on the screen, something like this, to turn it into portrait. But if you just want it to be right side up, then just go back, resize your video. Now you can add a background blur to this video so that the background doesn't seem black. In order to do that, go to background and then go to blur. Now here you can add the blur intensity of your background. So let me just add this blur right here, that background is still a bit visible. Once that is done, resize your video, adjust it, and then simply tap on done and export the video. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.